The main difference between two investment options, FSKAX and VTI, lies in their maximum drawdowns. Throughout its existence, VTI has experienced significant drawdowns, whereas FSKAX has sustained relatively lower losses. FSKAX's maximum drawdown stands at -35.01%, which is 20.44% less than VTI's. This drawdown occurred in February 2020 and lasted for 32 days, requiring 99 trading sessions for FSKAX to regain its initial portfolio value. In contrast, VTI's maximum drawdown began in October 2007 and lasted for 516 days, requiring at least 760 trading sessions to recover. On the other hand, VTI generally offers higher dividend yields than FSKAX. VTI's current dividend yield is about 1.36%, which is 0.03% higher than FSKAX's. VTI's dividend rates have consistently outperformed those of FSKAX over the past decade, with a margin of at least 0.03%. The two investments have similar return-based performances, with FSKAX achieving a 5.93% return since the start of the year, and VTI attaining a slightly lower rate with a disparity of 0.02%. When comparing their annualized returns over the past decade, the difference narrows to 0.01%. FSKAX has a slight edge in this category. Despite their differences, FSKAX and VTI are similar in that they experience the same stock price fluctuations, with a high correlation value of 1.0 and a negligible 0.01% disparity in their volatilities. They are also cost-friendly, with significantly low expense ratios. When considering which investment is better, it ultimately comes down to individual priorities. While VTI's higher dividend yields are attractive, FSKAX's relatively lower investment risks and slightly higher returns make it a more appealing choice. The information compared is